Hey guys, so today I'll be unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. So this was my previous one. I bought this for like 2 years ago in Jewel Changi Airport, and I think the price was similar. Yeah, similar. It's like 10 ringgit difference. But sadly the gimbal, this part here, is already a spoil. So it's not able to function anymore and the warranty expired. So there's no point. Got a brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Alright, so let's try unbox. Okay, I'm so nervous. DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. Okay, so I keep it in my pocket. Okay, so it's definitely fragile. Are you ready? Let's go. Oops, I have no patience. Whoa. The DJI Osmo Mobile. Oops. Yep, this is the invoice, I guess. Could you please put that? So DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. They have a two version, DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and 7P. The 7P has the module. This one it's like able to native camera tracking. Yeah, so there is a light also to adjust the lights. It's amazing. There's the extension. You can extend this and become a selfie stick. Yep, and I don't have to use this. There's one selfie stick over there. And this is very smart because there is a tripod. I don't really have to attach this anymore. Yeah. So it's already attached itself inside. So let's unbox. So Osmo Mobile 7P has native tracking with integrated audio and lighting capabilities, and we have robust 3-axis gimbal stabilization and easy tutorials and one-tap editing. We have quick full and quick launch, built-in extension rod and tripod, and 10-hour battery life, phone charging. So it's basically a very advanced smartphone stabilizer and by DJI company. Yep. So let's unbox. There's a tape. Oh. Okay, this is my first time. Alright. Is there any other tape? Quite nervous, guys. Very nervous. Oh, to unbox this. Oh, wow. Okay. What is this? Okay, let's unbox this first. Okay. Alright. There's a cable. I think I strongly believe that this is connected to the module. And then this one is for charging. This one, yeah, this is the module. So excited to try it. This is the first gimbal stick to have this type of module with the adjustable light. You can control the brightness using the rotating wheel. I'll be showing you guys soon. And this is the DJI, the what's that called? Magnetic mount. Right. Here you go. Sadly, they do provide cases last time, but nowadays they don't provide. I have a case from my Osmo Mobile 3, and it was really good. The packaging was very good. So let's open up, and wow, fancy. It's a rotating wheel. There is move left, right, up, down. You can even charge your phone with this. Yep. So shall we try? Okay. So let me get my nothing phone. Okay. So it's my nothing phone. Oops. Accidentally deactivated. Okay, I forgot how to turn it on. Oh, okay. Okay. So let me attach the clamp to my phone. It's good. This mount doesn't really like disturb the power button and the volume button, so it's amazing. Phone camera direction. Okay, they have shown the direction in. Okay, I'm quite nervous, guys. Oops! You see that? Wait! I still haven't. Okay, so wait. Oh, so strong. Okay, so let's try one more time. Are you ready? Let's go. Oops! Whoa! Okay. So amazing! Okay. Oops. You can adjust the speed in the DJI remote app. Okay. Oh yeah, I almost forgot that the tripod is attached inside. So let's. Oh, interesting. You can actually put something on the. Oh, okay. Perfect. Let's see. Oops. Everything is. It's so windy. Okay. Okay, so guys. Whoa. You can control the lights, the brightness. It's especially useful when you are in the dark and you want to. You can even FaceTime or do live in the dark. How to? Okay. Oh, you guys see that? It's activated. Oops. It's activated. Okay. Is there a light behind?
Yeah, that's the
Oh, okay. Hey,
What? Like this one.
it works.
It's charging.
Wait, I show
Oh,
it.
what means?
Wait, I show it to you.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, now it's focusing. Hey,
What?
okay, I'm sorry. Okay. He's following me. Put your hand like that. I don't have to use the app anymore. Like because I always wanted the original camera, not the DJI software. Understand? It's like it will just stay there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and can't wait for you guys to see my new videos. Bye.